Hello, this is AMIR. Today we are going to talk about ways to ignore the edits we made in a Git project and restore the changes. So let's get started. There are two main types of edits we make in a project. The first one is creating a file and the second one is updating or deleting a file. In the first scenario that we have created a file, the file is going to be shown as untracked. Here I create a file named 1.txt. And as you can see, it's untracked. If you want to ignore it, you don't need to do anything inside Git. You can simply delete the file, and when you run git status again, it doesn't show that file. Great! Now let's talk about the second scenario, when you changed a file. Here I'm creating a file named 1.txt again. Let me add and commit the changes. Now let's change it and write hello world. Okay, great. Now if we run git status, it is shown as changed. If you want to ignore these changes, then as it's written here, just run the command git restore. And then the name of the file, which in this case is 1.txt. Now you might ask, what if I have already added the file but haven't committed yet? Then for both of the scenarios, whether you have created a file or updated or deleted a file, it's going to be listed as staged. So in this case, you have to unstage it first, and to do that, you should run the command git restore staged, and then the file name. When you unstage it, it shows the file like before as changed or added. Let's practice together. Here I initialize a Git project. I create a file named a.txt and commit the changes. Now I add a new file called b.txt. I also write my name is AMIR in a.txt. And I add them all, but I haven't committed yet. Now I have changed my mind and I want to ignore all the changes and go back to before, when there was only one file called a.txt and there was nothing written in it. How can I do it? Pause the video, try to do it, write your answer in the comments below, and then play the video to see the answer. Now let's see the answer together. As you can see, all the files are in the staged area, so I should unstage them first by running the command git restore with the stage flag. Then for a.txt that is shown as changed, I should restore it by running the command git restore a.txt. And for b.txt that is shown as untracked, I can simply remove it. Was your answer correct? Write in the comments below. Just a quick recap. We talked about ignoring the changes in a Git project. If we created a file, we simply remove it. If we changed or deleted a file, then we can restore it. And if it's shown as a stage, we should first unstage it and then ignore them. And finally, if you like what you learned, please like and subscribe. That would be a great motivation to do more videos. If you have any suggestions or questions, please leave a comment below, and I try to answer them as soon as possible. That's it. Have a wonderful day.